Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making cheeseburger macaroni in a Ninja Foodi. Alright guys, I'm starting out in my Ninja Foodi I set on saute high. And it's not quite at the temperature, but we're going to go ahead and start cooking. I'm going to put in a pound of ground beef, and this isn't lean ground beef guys. This here's like 73.27. I'm also going to add in a medium onion I diced up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to break up this hamburger, I'm going to brown it, and I'm going to saute the onion, and then I'll drain the excess grease off because this here is fatty ground beef. So I'm just going to go ahead and get this going, and when it's browned up and I drain the grease off, I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, now that my ground beef is all browned up, my onions are soft, and I drain that grease off of there, I'm going to add in my seasonings. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of garlic powder, and I'm just going to eyeball this guys. What? Alright. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of salt, and this part here is optional. I'm going to add in some accent. Now this is just my own personal preference because I like it. You don't have to use this. I'm going to add in about a half a teaspoon of accent. Dexter, I'm recording out here. I'm going to add in a 14.5 ounce can of beef broth, and I'm going to add in that can filled with water. So we're talking 29 ounces of liquid in here, guys. I have a can of cheddar cheese soup. This here is 10.5 ounces. We're going to add that in. And guys, this is a really quick, delicious recipe. So it'll be quick and yummy, and we'll enjoy it. Dexter, I'm trying to record out here. Do you mind? He wants to run the show. He asked me for a little Susie bake oven for in his cage for Christmas, so he can do cooking videos. We'll see how that works out. Okay, now I'm going to give that a stir to blend everything together. Get rid of that can. You just want to blend your soup in there the best you can. Now we're going to add more cheese to this later on, so don't worry, because this just isn't cheesy enough just for that soup. Now I have a 16 ounce box of elbow macaroni, that's going to go in. Let's stir that down in. You want to make sure that your pasta is covered with your liquid. Okay, now I'm going to put my pressure cooker lid on here. And guys, you can do this in a regular pressure cooker. You're just not going to be able to brown at the end. Set that on seal. I'm going to turn my power on. Pressure cook. And I'm going to set this to pressure cook on high pressure for 9 minutes. Okay guys, my 9 minutes are up. I did that quick release to pressure, and this is smelling good already. Now I'm going to stir in a half a cup of sour cream, which I just happen to have a half a cup left in this container. It's a 1 cup container. And I think Dexter's ready to go to sleep now. I'm going to give this a stir to get that in there. And you can see how that macaroni drank up that liquid. You just want to get it blended all through so everybody gets a little bit in their bite. Alright, now I'm going to add in a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. And I'm just eyeballing this, guys. If we go over a little bit, no big deal. And you just want to stir that in. Guys, it's a cold, rainy day here in Pennsylvania today. I have the heat on, and I went and bought a little ceramic heater this weekend from the kitchen because the kitchen's just a little colder than the rest of the house. So you know winter's on the way. Okay, now that that's all blended together and looking good, I'm going to put some more cheddar cheese on top. Just a healthy coating. And guys, if you want to spice this up, you can use some pepper jack cheese and even throw in a can of diced green chilies. But we're not going to spice up today. Alright, that's looking good, guys. I'm going to close down my air fryer. Now, if you're doing this in a regular pressure cooker, just put your pressure cooker lid back on and just let that melt for a few minutes. But since we're using the Ninja Foodi, we're going to use the air fryer. I'm going to set an air crisp. It's at 390. We'll leave it at that because I have good luck with that temperature. And I'm going to set this for 5 minutes. In that 5 minutes, it'll crisp up that cheese, put a nice golden brown on it, and then this will be ready to go. Okay guys, my 5 minutes is up. You can see how nice and golden brown that is, and that cheese is crackling in there. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I went ahead and garnished that with a little bit of parsley for some color. Let me get in there and give that a try. See, it's nice and creamy looking. It's really creamy, cheesy, well seasoned. That's really delicious, guys, and it was easy to make. And that one there would be kid friendly. So there you have it, guys. Cheeseburger macaroni and a Ninja Foodi. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you.